Recruiter, there are a lot of ways to win retained search. And in this video, I will show you one of the proven system you can implement in next 5 minutes. And it is simple. Find the jobs that have been open for more than 30 days. And why? Because if a role is still open for 30 days, there is a good chance the company has not found the right candidate. They are feeling the pain, and that's when you are most likely to start a conversation about return search. And instead of pitching everyone, you are reaching the companies that all have already a real pain and hiring problem. And that's the idea. And that's enough theory. Let's jump into practical system. Now let's go to the system. This is the setup guide. For building this system, we require two platforms. One is Epify and next is Claude. Just go in Epify and create account with the Gmail. After that, what we need to go to the new task. Let me just and go to connector. We need Claude Desktop app for this particular action. After connector, go add connector and browse connector. Just type Epify. What is you that there is a install button right now is uninstall. I just let me reconnect it. When you click install, it will ask to install it, and after that just click this link. I think I need to go back and then I plus it. There's a section you need to put API key, and I will show you where you can find that API key. Open your Epify account first of all, go in setting, next in API section, generate one or copy one. Just copy one of them or generate any of them and copy. Put it here. Enable that. Configure. Save. That's all. Now it's done. Now let's go to the next part. To do this thing, we need to download two skill. Just go this link and you get the file and just download it. After you get the file, again, what you need to do, go here again, plus icon, skill, go to browse skill. No, just go to plus icon, skill, manage skill, and just go to add skill and upload the both skill. And you can have the aging job daily watchdog and aging job signal tracker. Just upload the both skill. After that, we have interface like that. Yeah. I'm going fast because I don't want to waste your time. Here, what you do, you just type slash and click the aging jobs tracker. And what will happen? It will ask the same question. And what you need to do, you need to put a job post that's relevant for your ICP. Because as you know, this particular video, we are tracking the open job that is active for more than 30 days. So you need to just copy all your database, just find couple of 4 to 5 and find a job post that's very pretty much close to your, and then put it here. After you put that, you need to put couple of sentences like the location, the company size, department, and anything like you want to add agency or not add agency. Just talk it out. Then after you put it everything, it will run this whole actor. There's a scraper in Epify. Let me just give you a glimpse here. If you go here, just click. I will click here first, and there's one, and we are running this actor, and this actor is specially designed to scrape all the job posted from any all the ETS and career platform, and you can find like it's cover like overall like all the market, and we can trust this platform. Just go, and you don't need to just go and do the coding stuff because I developed the skill. Just learn that you need to make sure that you have a right location, a right job title, and all the settings like company size, all the stuff. After that, Then after that, what happened? It will give you like couple of company. It just go and search and give you 5 active open job, and then just see. And the whole goal here, like you can see the career page, the whole goal is to find does this is in my ICP or not. Just check all of them. Let's go and check all of them. You can see we can find in career page. Again, this is in, I think, in a Glassdoor. You just check it out. And after that, if there is any issue, what you do, you just type just simple natural language. Okay, say this is wrong. Okay, I don't need this type of company. Remove that. And you just go back and forth for a couple of time, and you find a perfect job listing, and make sure that at least from 4 to 5 in a 5 you have 4 at least perfect ICP, like close to 80%. Otherwise you need to do improvement. Then just say after improvement, say it perfect. Let's move to next part. Then you like configure the whole code, and it give you the CSV of that. Now, now again we need to go here. After downloading that, we have a tracker, and this tracker is especially designed so you can track the whole system. So it's a company, all this detail we need, and there is a 3 status that it is waiting. The waiting means that the job is not old enough, like 30-day old, and expire mean that after 30 days the job is expired. It is not no longer active, and done mean that it is active. Now you can reach out to them. And what you need to do is that every week, in the next step, it will create the same CSV like this, same CSV. You need to copy that CSV and just append it here. Just file, import it here, upload, browse, and just click any of them. I don't have downloaded that one right now. Just and say append the set. And just need to append the whole data every day. I need to track the thing. After that, what happened? It will ask the time and date because we're running in it in a 7 days interval. And why we're running in 7 days interval? Because we need to find the job that is older than 30 days, and we don't want to run it frequently and waste a lot of credit. So that's why we're running only in a 7 days time frame. And that's why the like quick fill job will be automatically vanish out, like the job that is fill out in 3 days automatic vanish out. We remove that. You just click that, and what happened? It will create like this kind of thing. You go again, back up that. It will create like this kind of schedule, and you just have to click S. After clicking S, you can see you get this kind of thing. And every Monday morning, 9 a.m., you put a time, it will give you the message or the listing, and you just need to copy that and paste it there. Now, after that, what we need to do, we need to set up next one. And then you go to the, after setting that, you need to type like X aging job daily watchdog. Simple. And in this one, you need to do only one thing. Copy this sheet. It is here right now. And this just copy this sheet and copy the link of this and make sure that it's viewable for everyone and put it here. And it will just complete the whole thing. Just have every functionality. It check down everything. And it will ask again the time, like which time of day you want to just see, because we're running this part every day. So it makes sure that we are reaching out the person the right at the right moment. Then I put here, and it just create again another schedule, and it goes here. And you just need to click buttons. There's no any hard fast rule. Just click buttons. That's all. And that's all. Like there's nothing. Like you go here, copy the skill, and you get everything you needed. Just make sure that you have right ICP. That's the crucial part, and you connect everything. And you make sure that you also connect Google Drive, and the same process again, connector and browse and add the Google Drive. Now, this is the one of the proven method you can use to just and win written search. And hopefully this video will be practical and you can implement right away. And if you have any question, put in a chat box, in a comment, and I will try to answer each and every one. For time being, have a great day. Bye.